Hey guys, just wanted you to see this blueberry ice cream I make. Uh, no fat, a little bit of fat, I guess. I use a powdered creamer, but frozen blueberries. You gotta have frozen because that's what makes the ice cream. I use my magic bullet. Okay, and so what I do is three-quarters of a thing, maybe a little less, because you don't want it to freeze too much while you're trying to zip it up. Zip it up is with the spire thing here. Um, so spring water, purified water. You know, bring it up. Okay. So you have a three-quarter blueberry, and then you're just going to top it. Little room there for expansion, and little cinnamon. I'm doing this one-handed, guys. I'm gonna put some cinnamon in there. Cinnamon's beautiful, and I have some stevia. This is straight stevia. This is not with that erythritol or whatever it is, the crap, but it's straight stevia. 0 calorie. It's a little sweetener. You just need a touch. That's it. Believe it or not, this little thing does a 1,000. Where does it say? Right there. Has 1,000 servings. It's crazy. And it does. You just do a little sprinkle like that. Boom, you had beautiful sweetness. And finally, just I use a little bit of a creamer. I'm not using much. Just a little bit. Okay? That's it. You can use a little milk if you want. All right, and you put the top. So you have the blueberry, the spring water, the cinnamon, stevia, and the creamer. Put this on. I have to put this under my belt here for a second. All right, then we're gonna put it on here. There it goes. Nice. I had a lot of blueberry in there. There it goes. It's done. It's gonna be the best stuff in the world, guys. That's it. Beautiful. I don't know what you call it, a sorbet of some sort. It's delicious. Everybody will love it. So let me grab the thing. All right. And look at this. Beautiful. Healthy, healthy, healthy ice cream. Oh my God, it's so good. I learned this about 3 years ago and I never forgot about it. I may have a video already in there. So this is my blueberry ice cream. Frozen blueberry, spring water, cold. Frozen has to be frozen. The spring water has to be cold. Remember to do your blueberries just under a three-quarters, so it doesn't freeze and not be able to spin it up. And then stevia. I got a stevia leaf. Beautiful stuff. Just a sprinkle of that. Have to have the cinnamon, and it just produces a flavor that's wonderful. No stickiness, nothing. It'll disappear. You don't even know what happened to it. All right, guys? Look at this. Nice. All right. Thumbs up. Talk to you soon.